Watch over. To guard and protect. I watched over her to make sure she was safe. Watch over my family in my absence. See off. To go to a station, an airport, etc. to say goodbye to somebody. I went to the airport to see off my friend. I'll go to the airport with you to see you off. Carry on. To continue doing something. I was tired, but I had to carry on with my work. She told me to carry on with my studies. Pick out. To choose or select. He picked out a pink shirt for me. She picked out the most expensive necklace. Splash out. To spend a lot of money on something. He splashed out hundreds of pounds on designer clothes. I splashed out $3,000 on a holiday. Play with. To keep touching or moving something. She was playing with her hair. Stop playing with your food. Shop around. To compare prices in different shops before you buy something. You should shop around for a better price. Don't buy the first car you see, shop around a bit. Talk back. To answer someone in a rude way. Don't talk back to your mother like that. Don't talk back to your teacher. Talk over. To discuss something. We talked over the problems in our relationship. The committee is talking over our report. Take place. To happen at some place or time. The wedding took place in London. The meeting will take place on Monday. Pop into. To visit some place briefly. I am going to pop into the store for a moment. Wait here, I just need to pop into the bank to get some money out.